Viewers, in this video I will teach you that how you can install the Python libraries into the Python environment. So Python क्योंकि already install है मेरी Windows पे. So what you have to do, go click on the search icon and then search for a CMD. CMD install करने के बाद because the path is on the administrator, so हमने इसको move करना है Python के path पे जहाँ पे pip already install हो. So cd so क्योंकि Python मेरी इंस्टॉल है C ड्राइव पे, so as the Python are installed on a C drive, so copy path of the Python cd. Yep, now the path has been copied, and make sure you also add the directory of the scripts as well, because pips are installed in the Python library in a script library. As you can see, the pip and the pip3. We can use both of them, pip and pip3, because pip3 इंट्रोड्यूस करवाई गई थी Python 3 के लिए. So आप कोई भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. As I am going to install, I am going to, first of all I am going to move the path from Python 39 to Python 39 slash script. So cd script scripts. Now the script has been I just follow the complete path, going to clear the command. So I'm going to install the Selenium library. I will show you that how you can uninstall the library, any library as well. Pip install Selenium. अगर requirement already satisfy है तो ये आपको पहले ही बता देगा कि requirement already satisfy है, all libraries are installed without having an issue. So क्योंकि library already installed है, so I'm going to uninstall the Selenium. Pip uninstall Selenium. अब ये क्या करेगा, Selenium को uninstall कर देगा. उससे related जितने पैकेजेस हैं, first of all confirmation करनी है, yes or no. Yes, I want to uninstall this library. So the Selenium library has been uninstalled, going to clear out. So now I'm going to install the Selenium again. pip3 install Selenium. So इस बार मैंने pip3 यूज़ किया ताकि आप लोगों को क्या हो कि अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो जाए कि pip3 और pip both are working on the same way. So if you have any further questions, so just let me know into a comment section. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for further video. Thanks. Bye.